What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to unlock this iPhone 7. If you've forgotten your passcode and you're locked out, don't worry, I've got the fix right here. We're doing a full bypass in just 6 minutes. Let's get it. First things first, we gotta get this iPhone into DFU mode. Hold the power and volume down buttons together. Release power, but keep holding volume down until it pops up on the screen. There we go, it's connected and ready to go. First, I'm gonna run a quick update on this phone. I always update to the latest firmware first. UnlockTool just works way better with a fresh install. Now pay attention to this part in 3U Tools. Make sure you check Keep User Data and Auto Activate. You don't want to lose your files or get stuck on the Hello screen. Check those 2 boxes and then hit Flash. While we wait for this update to finish, let's talk about the iPhone 7. Did you know this was the first iPhone to drop the headphone jack? People were so mad back in 2016, but look at us now with AirPods everywhere. It was also the first one to be officially water resistant, and that matte black finish, still one of the best Apple ever made. Alright, the update is almost done. Let's get back to the unlock. Alright, now let's get this phone back into DFU mode. Just click on Power and DFU, then Gaster, and let the tool do its thing. Select the RAM disk iOS 15 and hit boot. I didn't see it hit recovery, and it's not supposed to, so we're starting over with Power and DFU. This time we're picking UTool 1 instead of Gaster. Select Boot RAM disk and let the tool finish the job. Select Backup Passcode and make sure the tool saves all the data. Wait for the green text to confirm the backup is done. Select Factory Reset to wipe the device and finish the process. The phone will reboot now, so just give it a minute. Put the device back into DFU mode to restore the backup. Select Pub in DFU UTool 1 again to get the connection ready. Hit Boot RAM disk and wait for the files to load. Select Restore Backup, plus disable OTA Erase to return your data and block automatic updates so the bypass stays permanent. The phone is officially unlocked, so if this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more repair tutorials.